The quest for excellence. It motivates you, moves you, makes you keep pushing your capabilities beyond the limits of anything you've ever done before. Until you get stronger, faster, until you can jump higher, lift more, do more, become better. But the rewards make it worth every drop of sweat, every aching muscle, every tendon stretched to breaking point, every year of devoted practice. And it's not just the appreciative roar of applause that justify the efforts. It is the knowledge deep within your innermost self that in the struggle towards excellence, you have won one more battle. We know that feeling very well indeed, because it is precisely that spirit that underlies the story of Althrocin, first among pharmaceuticals in India. It is a story that has no end, because the quest for excellence is continuous. But to understand its beginnings, you have to first know the company that it comes from. Alembic. It is a story that starts in 1907, where three scientist entrepreneurs set up one of India's first pharmaceutical companies. Over the years, by striving to constantly improve, to continuously raise our own standards, and relying only on our own capabilities, we have become India's sixth largest pharmaceutical company, manufacturing basic drugs, antibiotics, antibacterials, and other specialities. We have developed a range of technology that has few equals in the Indian pharmaceutical industry. In macrolide technology, for example, we're the undisputed leader. The quest for excellence has helped us grow beyond national boundaries, to make sizable inroads into highly competitive export markets. It has helped us win the first Chemexcel Award for the best export performance in India for 1991-92 and earn Government of India recognition as an export house. But before all that, Alembic's first truly major landmark was in 1972, when for the first time in the country, we began manufacturing erythromycin in bulk and introduced Althrocin as a brand of erythromycin estolate. Althrocin has stood the test of time for 25 years. A feat all the more creditable in a field where obsolescence is the rule, where products become outdated almost as soon as they are developed. How has this product managed to retain the confidence of the medical profession for more than 2 decades? Althrocin's success is the result of its inherent strengths, a coming together of several attributes. As an antibiotic, erythromycin, the first member of the macrolide group, is, despite the introduction of newer antibiotics, still one of the most extensively used antimicrobials. Its therapeutic usefulness is based on its activity against gram-positive organisms, particularly Staph aureus, beta-hemolytic streptococci, Streptococcus pneumoniae, and atypical organisms. Since the gastric juices are likely to inactivate the erythromycin base, its therapeutic effects are achieved through its different salts and esters like stearate, ethyl succinate, and estolate. And among these different salts and esters, erythromycin estolate is the most bioavailable form. And since differences in bioavailability based on serum erythromycin levels is a crucial factor to consider in the selection of an erythromycin product, we decided to use the estolate form for Althrocin. Althrocin ensures peak concentrations, more persistent antibacterial levels, and true bactericidal concentrations at the site of the infection. Following multiple doses of Althrocin, absorption is better than with other salts, and unlike other erythromycin salts, it is not altered by the presence of food. In fact, Althrocin in tonsillar tissues achieves twice the concentration of erythromycin ethyl succinate with a 33% lower daily dosage. Althrocin, as a result, has the power to penetrate deeper into tonsillar tissues, the middle ear, the skin and soft tissues. It has been quoted as one of the safest drugs available today by as reputed a source as Medical Clinics of North America. Over 2.5 decades, with millions of patients across the length and breadth of the country, Althrocin has enjoyed the unstinted faith and confidence of the medical profession. It has practically become a synonym for the treatment of upper respiratory tract and bacterial skin infections. A faith that is based on the reputation of the company that was the first in the country to make erythromycin, the only one to manufacture it from the basic stage. With our own captive manufacturing facility, we can ensure that quality, potency and performance of Althrocin is consistent batch after batch, day after day, month after month, year after year. The erythromycin estolate that we make for Althrocin is distinctly tasteless and odorless and stands out as a stable derivative of erythromycin. With special techniques used in the basic manufacturing process, we ensure what is quite simply the best quality erythromycin in the country today. Althrocin's milky white erythromycin crystals ensure better stability and faster disintegration. Further proof of Alembic's erythromycin quality lies in the fact that it is exported to many technologically advanced European and Southeast Asian countries. Althrocin is available in 8 different dosage forms to meet the varying needs of all age groups of patients. Althrocin 250 mg and 500 mg tablets are for adults, for moderate and severe infections respectively. For children, there are 6 dosage forms: Althrocin Forte liquid and Althrocin DT, which are meant for acute and severe infection. Althrocin liquid is for moderate infection. For younger children, unique chewable tablets of Althrocin 100 mg are available. Rapidly disintegrating Althrocin Kid tablets are another form for preschool children. Ready-to-use Althrocin drop is the one and only one antibiotic drop for newborns and infants. Thanks to the Alembic distribution network, Althrocin is guaranteed to be available in every corner of the country. Althrocin has won the distinction of being the #1 brand in the industry for 2 successive years. No small achievement for a totally Indian brand among the vast multitude of brands available in the country today. We, by continuing to pursue excellence in the years to come, hope to retain your trust, encouragement and support well into the future. For Althrocin, the journey of excellence continues.